Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. We often get asked, how do you find the candlestick power trades where we're hitting not only high probability trades, but high profit trades? And that's very simple. First of all, when we do our market analysis, we want to know which way the market is going. As we can see, the Dow, when it supported here on the 200-day moving average with a Morningstar signal, a double doji setup, and now we wanted to see what it was going to do here the last couple of days with the Feds announcing the probable announcement that they were going to pause on raising interest rates. Well, it caused a knee-jerk reaction, which was expected. However, you can see what the investor sentiment was after all the knee-jerk was over. Using the T-line as support after a double doji setup again, kind of implying there's going to be more upside. Now, does that mean it's going to go up tomorrow? Not necessarily on a Friday right before a 3-day weekend. However, the bullish sentiment was also being confirmed ever since the NASDAQ did a bullish harami and then a Morningstar signal staying above the T-line. This is where the T-line allows you to see which sectors are going to be acting the strongest, but more importantly, it keeps your emotions out of your trading. It keeps you from getting whipsawed in and out of positions. If we know if the general market is moving in the right direction, that way we can take advantage of the sectors and the stocks in those sectors that are acting the strongest. The classic fry pan bottom pattern that we saw in or see in AI. Now remember, artificial intelligence has been thrown all over the media, how it can destroy the world, but the rational decision or analysis is people are not developing artificial intelligent programs to destroy the world. They're doing it to improve productivity. So we made lots of money coming off the fry pan bottom, taking profits, and then buying back when the J-hook pattern, classic pattern, setting up. And now today, AI broke out through the resistance level, implying we could be in another wave of this magnitude. So if you look at the whole artificial intelligence sector, again, when they broke it out, we identified that immediately. And then the J-hook pattern, now another slow curve pattern, implying that the T-line is still telling us the bullish sentiment is in this sector and in these stocks. So anytime you can see that pattern setting up and breaking out, it implies bullish sentiment is starting to really get excited about any particular stock. We'll be recommending SDGR again tomorrow on positive trading with the anticipation at least a move of this magnitude. The candlestick signals are the graphic depiction of when there's a major change of investor sentiment. The kicker signal in next was identified pretty early in our chat rooms. And now we can kind of imply, or the signal will imply what's going on in investor sentiment. At least a 45-degree, a strong price move. Not because it's a signal in itself, but if you interpret what the signal is telling you, that there's been a major change of investor sentiment, very strong bullish sentiment, that's usually going to usually indicate there's going to be strong price move after that. So anytime we can add up all the patterns, we recommended ADAP because of the fry pan bottom, the J-hook plus, that's a J-hook pattern using a major support level, then the bubble breakout, which tells us there's more upside, which is also usually the result of a fry pan bottom breakout. So essentially all we're doing is putting our money in positions that have high probabilities of strong investor sentiment buildup that are creating patterns that have been created for hundreds of years. And it works just as well on the short side. We recommended shorting PI because this is what we say, observe the obvious. Right here at the 50-day moving average, you had a bearish signal. And notice what it did today. Down good in a market that was up 400 points on the day. So if you always remember, prices do not move based upon fundamentals. Prices move based upon the perception of fundamentals. It doesn't matter what the market's doing. It matters what's going on in each individual stock. Join us tonight. We do our Thursday night chat rooms that are open free to everybody. Just come to the candlestickforum.com and go to chat room and sign up. It's free, but it gives you a lot of information of why we analyze the trend as accurately as we do and which stocks in that trend are going to act the strongest. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.